So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to reverse journal entries in Xero. Firstly, you should know that you should post an exact reverse of the entry. Xero has a built-in shortcut so you don't have to swap the debits and credits manually. Now from your dashboard, locate the original journal. Navigate to Accounting, Advanced, then Manual Journals. Then click on the Posted tab and open the specific journal entry you want to reverse. Now, click the Journal Options button in the top right corner and select Copy. This will generate a new draft journal with the exact same line items and accounts. Now at the top of the new draft journal, check the box labeled Reverse. Xero will instantly swap all the debits to credits and vice versa for each line item. Now update the date to every day you want the reversal to take effect, and optionally update the narration like reversal for journal, etc. Then click Post to zero out the ledger. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.